Hello everyone, welcome to Kanishta Coder. In today's class, we are going to make a very special animated letter game, which is actually going to be a dancing one. So it's going to be a dancing letter actually. Let's start and begin with it. Let us open the Scratch environment. After that, let's delete this cat from here and close this window. Let's go and choose our backdrop first. We will be choosing the, uh, let's see which spotlight as a background. Then let's go to the sprite and go to the letter and let's get K for Kanishta from here. Okay, and now I'm going to teach you that if you want to increase the size of any of your sprite, like I am going to increase it right away, you can do it like this. Let us place it on the stage. Our spotlight K for Kanishta coders over here. After that, what are we going to do? We are going to start coding because always after we make the design, our next step is to start with the coding. Now, let us first go over here on this option which says add extension and click on music because we will be needing music also. As soon as we do it, we have the music codes also along with us. Now let's go to the events option first and take when the sprite is clicked. What do you mean by sprite? The K, the objects which are there. Now after that, we will have to do the repeat or the forever block. Where you can find it, you can find it in controls, and you can take this forever block from here. So whatever I will write in between will keep on implementing again and again. So now whenever I click on this K, what should happen? I want a sound to be played. Let me select a sound. Let me select any of the sound. Okay, now after that, let me just choose the move option. Let's move this sprite by 10 steps. Little bit we'll move, okay? After that, I again want the sound to be played. So let's go to the music and again take this and select any of the sound that we require. Okay, you can just drag down, you can see lots of sound. But now what will we do? We will again take 10 steps, but these 10 steps are going to be minus 10. So all my kids, please try to understand that we have to now do it minus 10. Just try to understand. If look in the center, there is 0 and you have 10 this side. So obviously if you go on the opposite side, so minus 10 will be here. This happens in case of a number line which you will study in mathematics. We have all the positive numbers on the right hand side like 1, 2, 3 going up till infinity, and over here also minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 10 going to minus infinity. Okay, so what will happen, this K alphabet will move forward in this direction 10 step, then this again, so it will keep on moving in this way. So it will give us an illusion. Okay, it will look like that it is dancing. So if you all are ready, we can make the stage bigger by clicking on this option from here, which makes it full screen, and then click on this green flag. And when I click on K, see what will happen. I hope you were able to experience it. Actually, this after I click it once, this gets activated. This loop over here, this forever loop gets activated, and you're able to hear one time this hit hat sound. Then you move 10 step. Then you hear the cowbell sound, and then you move backwards. So it is forward, backward, forward, backward, forward, backward. So this is moving like forward. This is like when we are moving forward, and this is when we are going backward. Okay, this is when we are going backward. So I will again explain. एक छोटी सी रिविजन करते हैं. दैट व्हाट यू हैव टू डू, आपको पहले तो इसको एक ए अल्फ़ाबेट को लेकर आना है, इसका स्टेज यहाँ से सेट करना है। उसके बाद आप एक्सटेंशन बटन्स पे जाएंगे और वहाँ से म्यूज़िक को ऑन, म्यूज़िक वाला ऑप्शन हमारे पास आ जाएगा एक्सटेंशन ऐड करने से। उसके बाद आप क्या करेंगे, एक लूप लेकर आएंगे। कहाँ से लेकर आते हैं हम लोग, कंट्रोल्स में से जाकर लूप्स लेके आएंगे। और ये तो पहले आपको पता ही है, मैं हमेशा बता चुका हूँ कि इवेंट से व्हेन दिस स्प्राइट क्लिक लेके आते हैं और उसके अंदर हम ड्रम साउंड डाल रहे हैं, कोई भी साउंड हम डाल सकते हैं ड्रम्स की। उसके बाद हम थोड़ा सा आगे मूव कर रहे हैं तो वो +10 है, और उसका फिर साउंड प्लेस कर रहे हैं और पीछे जाने के लिए -10। तो ये ध्यान रखना, जितना आप आगे पीछे जाना चाहते हैं उतना है, बट एक बारी वो पॉजिटिव है, एक बारी नेगेटिव है, पॉजिटिव है नेगेटिव है, पॉजिटिव नेगेटिव है, इसीलिए वो इस तरीके से मूव कर रहा है। तो आई होप यू लाइक दिस dancing letter. So just make your dancing letters and share it with us in the chat box.